2 दिसां पयलीं म्हापशेच्या नासनोडकर ज्वेलरी शॉपांतल्या भांगराचेर हात मारप्यांक पुलिसांनी राजस्थानसान उखल्ले. तांचे कडच्यान सुमार 1 किल भांगर आणि 12 किल चांदी जप्त केल्या.
We were able to subsequently nab these people near Ajmer while they were headed towards their home. In this case, we have arrested 4 persons till now. Their details are: one, Mr. Harji Chauhan. He is a resident of Bewar, which is a district adjacent to Ajmer. He is 26 years old. Another person who has been arrested is one Mr. Bhavani Singh, who is 18 years old. He is also a resident of that same district. And we have also arrested or apprehended 2 CCLs. Their age is less than 18 years. Therefore, we are not in a position to reveal their identities.
मजगती नायट पेट्रोलिंगाक लागून म्हापशेच्या नासनोडकर ज्वेलरी शॉपांतले भांगर चोरप्यांक धरूंक मजत जाली. ते राती एक PSIन खंय रस्त्यार भोंवतना तांकां आडवून फोटो घेतिल्ले.
However, because of our emphasis which has been placed on night patrolling, I have previously also in subsequent briefings told you that lot of emphasis is being put on night patrolling, because of which the Mapsa police station staff came to us and said that the descriptions which we are seeing in the CCTV footage match with 2 persons they had stopped at around 3 a.m. near Mapsa police station because they had found them in a slightly suspicious position. They had clicked their photographs and those photographs were available with our police staff.
Bureau Report, Prudent.